for sale is a 2016 Nitro by Forest River 31 FQSL. This is a really clean trailer. Slides, appliances, and generator were just serviced. You can hear the generator in the back running. Recently detailed. A little bit of sun fade on the front, not too bad, mostly just the logo. Brand new awning, brand new roof. The roof and awning were replaced due to a small branch that hit that top corner right there. They replaced the entire thing. This is the one that has the patio deck, the party patio. It is a 10.5-foot garage that is separate from the living compartment. Exterior was recently polished to remove any excess scratches or oxidation. You can hear the RV QG4000 generator running. Has about 270 hours, about 1 hour on a recent service. This trailer has brand new 14-ply tires. We went for the upgraded 14-ply versus the standard size or density tires, just for better hauling. It has the onboard fuel station. This trailer is currently equipped with the PitBull Trailer Training System for motorcycles. 4 motorcycles fit comfortably in this trailer. If you do not want the PitBull retaining system, that can be removed. The rear sleeping quarters has 2 queen beds that retract. The lower bed also turns into benches and tables. Has overhead storage, wired for TV in the back with cable. The inside of this trailer is where it really gets nice. It has the upgraded leather and stitch vinyl that comes with the XLR model of this trailer. You can see that it's finely appointed with stainless steel appliances, the granite countertops. It's got the blue accent lighting, black backsplash, microwave, .35-inch TV, remote control for the awning, air conditioning, 13 BTU air conditioner. Has a full walk around queen bed. Right now it has a Casper mattress, which is not an RV size. That is negotiable for sale. The master suite is separated from the regular living quarters. And the bathroom is a large size shower with a well-appointed bathroom area. It is a double entrance. Again, it's a 2016 Nitro XLR, model 31 FQSL. Thank you for looking.